Ever wondered how something as precious and ancient as a diamond can be made in a laboratory in weeks? Today on Knowledge Hub, we're diving into the fascinating world of lab-grown diamonds, where carbon atoms are transformed into sparkling crystals using technology that mimics the very heart of the Earth itself. Natural diamonds form more than 150 kilometers underground, where carbon is exposed to extreme heat and pressure over billions of years. But scientists found a way to replicate this same process in just a few weeks, using two main methods, HPHT and CVD. Let's start with HPHT, high pressure, high temperature. In this method, a small diamond seed is placed in a chamber with pure carbon, often graphite. Then the chamber is subjected to pressures over 1.5 million pounds per square inch, and temperatures above 1,500 degrees Celsius, conditions similar to deep inside the Earth's mantle. Under these forces, the carbon melts and begins to crystallize around the seed, growing layer by layer into a full diamond. When cooled, the result is a pure crystal that's almost indistinguishable from a one mined from the ground. The second method, CVD, or chemical vapor deposition, takes a more futuristic approach. Instead of crushing carbon under pressure, it grows the diamond atom by atom in a plasma reactor. A thin diamond seed is placed inside a vacuum chamber filled with carbon-rich gases like methane and hydrogen. The gases are then energized with microwaves, creating a plasma, a superheated cloud where carbon atoms break free and settle on the seed's surface. Over several weeks, these atoms arrange themselves into a perfect diamond lattice, the same atomic structure that gives diamonds their incredible hardness. What's remarkable is how precise these methods have become. Scientists can now tweak the growth environment to control the diamond's size, color, and clarity. By adding trace elements like boron or nitrogen, they can even produce rare colored diamonds like blues, pinks, and yellows, all grown under controlled conditions. And here's the best part. Lab-grown diamonds are chemically and physically identical to natural ones. The only real difference lies in their origin. Even gemologists need specialized equipment to tell them apart. That's why lab diamonds are becoming increasingly popular in jewelry and other industries, offering a sustainable, ethical, and often more affordable alternative without sacrificing beauty or strength. So next time you see a sparkling diamond, remember, it might not have come from the depths of the Earth, but from the heights of human innovation. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into the science of lab-grown diamonds, don't forget to subscribe to Knowledge Hub for more fascinating explanations. And as always, stay curious.